G'day, I just wanted to share that we're doing a workshop for veterans on Tuesday, December the 17th at 10 a.m. By the way, this is Brett Janelle from the Retired Living Truth series, and at our last seminar on the truth about paying for retired living, we had a panelist from the Department of Veteran Affairs share some fantastic information, but obvious from the audience that there was more questions and there was more information to share, but we just didn't have time to cover it all. So we've reached out to the Department of Veteran Affairs, and on Tuesday, December the 17th at 10 a.m, they've agreed to come in, someone both from the state and also the federal level, to share more information about qualification, benefits, spousal benefits, funeral, the VA hospital, what else? The new VA community, tax benefits for veterans, discounts for veterans that from what they told me, I'm sure most people aren't even going to be aware of. So again, it's going to be on Tuesday, December the 17th at 10 a.m. I know we already have a lot of people registered for it, so if you would like to reserve a seat, please call the number that's below this video and we'll reserve you a seat. And we look forward to hopefully seeing you on the 17th. And if you have a veteran that you think would benefit from this information, please have them come along. Just make sure they register first, and we'll try to get as many questions as possible answered from the experts that we're going to have from the Department of Veteran Affairs. Thank you.